And that's honestly what makes this country so unique. I mean, I just visited South Korea and Japan this last weekend. Nice weekend trip. Let's
just run over
let's
there.
Go to Tokyo. That's easy to get to. There's so many beautiful things about those countries. They're clean, they're orderly, they're polite. But honestly, they don't understand the word entrepreneur at all.
No.
I was trying to explain it to them. They're like, well, what do you mean? You start different businesses.
Yeah.
In their culture, you do a job, you do it for 30 years, you do it super well, and that is your duty. And they do. And by the way, it's incredibly appealing in a lot of ways, but there is a dynamism that's missing, right? There's kind of this energy and this uniqueness that we have in this country. I mean, you go to continental Europe right now, which is actually economically not done very well last 15 years, and we've done very well considerably. Entrepreneurship is largely dying across continental Europe, right?
You're right?
Maybe if you have one restaurant, maybe if you have one brand, but this idea of scaling and pushing and the Italian tax code cannot grasp the idea of losing money to grow a business. It's an income. They're like, wait, what do you mean you're going to lose money?
Yeah.
Businesses only exist to make money.
Yeah.
Well, no, you're going to lose it to boost the valuation to grow it. And the point being is that we as entrepreneurs, everyone in this room, I think it's one of the things that makes this country so exceptional and important.
I agree.
Because it creates new wealth.